Okay, today we're gonna make our breakfasts. I'm gonna use this. You see this? Okay. See this? You see that this bread? You're gonna use that bread. What you need to do? We're gonna just cut this bread into two. Okay. Okay, like that. Then we're gonna put, and then we have to press it like that. Let them flat. Okay. Ta-da! It's black right there. Okay. I don't know what it's a diner's rolls. Okay, diner's. I love diner's rolls. So put it like that. What you need to do, just put the bumbu putih a little bit there. Maybe like 1 spoon. Just spread it there. See? Spread it. Okay. You can mix with mayonnaise, but I'm gonna put mayonnaise on the top. Mayonnaise. Okay. Spread a little bit there. So you're gonna have that kind of herbs kind of taste. Then you can toast it after that in one side. If you have a cream cheese or anything, but I have mayonnaise, so you can put one mayonnaise in the other side. Okay. Bumbu putih and mayonnaise. What you need to do, just put them together like that. Okay. And then you toast this. Let's toast. Okay. So you just bumbu putih here, and you put mayonnaise.
Sure.
Okay, it's ready. So mayonnaise, bumbu putih,